Hi everybody, coping skills for mental health problems. Now they're very similar, it's very similar to your self-care coping strategies, your self-care coping tools, like having a routine, which is very important. Your overall maintaining of maintaining your mental health, it's all about changes like your behaviours, your day-to-day living, your life's like day-to-day living. So coping skills in itself is very good to use, but fitting it in with your routine, with your self-care. And the reason why I say that is because coping skills are more like a distraction. So having those coping skills there will help you with, it's all about when you're in that moment of feeling overwhelmed with your emotions, your feelings, stress. So when you're in those moments in itself, the coping skills can help. So like I said, a form of distraction, but only not to be used all the time. So in itself, it will allow you to give you that headspace in your mind of what is going on, being able to cope with it better. Because like they say, if you've got a clear mind, if if you've got that headspace, you can deal with that problem. So like some coping skills, healthy coping skills, some are good, some you need realistically to like get to that root cause of that problem, of what is causing you to have those difficult moments of stress and so forth. Mental health problems in itself and stress doesn't really mix. In itself, it causes even bigger impact and even more difficult to be able to cope with. So the coping skills there could be very good for temporary, for short term, to eliminate, get you out of that stressful moment that you may be in. So it's all about like when you're stress in itself, I mean, it could be like stress. Some stress is, they say, is good for us. Some stress is. Stress in itself is how the body responds to it, like the chemicals and the hormones, how it affects us within ourselves, like our feelings and emotions. Now, any situation like that, if left untreated, it causes even greater problem within itself. So physically as well, so it's all about as well with your mental health, it's looking after yourself physically as well. So techniques really for distraction of coping skills, I mean, it could like relaxation things like meditation. It's all about taking you away from that situation really that you're in, distraction. So like meditation, just trying to relax. Meditation in itself will help you be able to deal with that present moment and make you feel a bit more calmer. It's mindfulness. It's all about being aware of your body sensations, your feelings and your emotions in a more calmer way. So it will help reduce that anxiety, stress, like situation that you're in. So meditation in itself, you could get them up on YouTube. If you've never, they say actually that meditation has been proven to be really good for our well-being and mental health as well. So get them up on the websites, YouTube. Just try a 5-minute, a 10-minute one. It will help to calm you and pull you away from that stressful situation that you're in. Going for a walk's good for getting out of that situation, that it's all distraction really. Breathing techniques, breathing exercises is very good to help alleviate all that. Like taking in, inhaling deep breath, holding for 4 and just relax, just exhaling, like doing that, say, for as long as, well, not too long, but cut the minutes, say. Hot bath, having a bath, it's relaxing. That will help reduce that stress and help you feel at ease with yourself. All these techniques can. Gentle exercise, like they say, yoga. I mean, I do Qigong. That's very gentle. It's good for the mind and it's good for the body as well. It's good for you physically. That's what I do every morning as well. Reading a book, reading a book. Just sitting down for a moment, having a cup of tea, just trying to chill out and relax. It's all about distraction, coping skills. It's all about really distracting and helping you to basically tolerate that situation that you're in at that present moment. I mean, it could be anything from, it could be just your illness, your thoughts, making you feel like that, how you're perceiving towards your thoughts and your feelings and emotions that's causing that distress. Be it feeling overwhelmed, it could be just something that's occurred that's brought on your symptoms of your illness, anything like that. But coping skills, it's best really to just fit in with your routine, because your routine, your self-care is all about activity for you personally, what works for you personally, which is very good because you help build like confidence around all that as well. So your coping skills are more of a distraction. So it's okay like to just fit it in with that routine and use it from time to time. But at the same time, some things do need to be dealt with, like the root cause of it. So it's like I said, it's okay using coping skills, but from time to time you may need to get to that root cause of what is actually going on. So like talking, use those talking therapies, talk to somebody about how you're feeling and what is going on. That's a good thing to outlet everything. That in itself as well gives you the headspace of what is going on and help you to feel more calmer, take away that feeling of being overwhelmed and everything else. And like I said, with the coping skills in itself will help you to tolerate and be able to get through that difficult moment that you're in, and then you'll, like your headspace, you'll get that headspace there to be able to deal with that situation in a better way once you've worked your way through it, if that makes sense. Because like they say, if you're like in a difficult situation, and it's like the saying, isn't it? You can't think straight, your mind's gone confused, it's gone overload. So it's all about distraction and then going back to that situation in a more calmer way and getting to that root cause of what is going on with that present moment there. I would say as well, if anybody is really struggling out there, to reach out and get that help as well, because treatment and taking those first steps and getting the appropriate treatment as well can help with your recovery and to help you live a full recover better and to get that enjoyment back into your life again. Having a mental illness, there is recovery, there is hope there. It's all about consistency mental health recovery is about hope, consistency, and working hard, working your way through it, working yourself, working your way through it, and don't ever doubt yourself. Be aware, always use that mindfulness of the awareness towards yourself and create a more better life for yourself. It is possible to do. There is hope out there, like I said. So this video really was about coping skills, on techniques of what you can do. Like I said, the relaxation things of those difficult moments that you may get in, like maybe in from time to time. You know, there may be times when you may be okay with your illness for a little while, and you may have those ups and downs. It may come in waves and have those difficult moments. It's all about what you do to help you get through it. And sometimes the coping skills there in itself, those distractions, are the healthy ones. The good, like, distractions are very good to have, like I said, to fit in with your routine as well. So, but remember, sometimes things need to be the root cause. It needs to be dealt with getting to that root cause as well. So I'm going to end the video there. Don't forget to share, because it's very important. Our mental health is very important, especially in these times, over the past year, getting through this pandemic, this COVID-19. It's been a lot of people out there, many people. We've all suffered in some sort of a way with our well-being, and there are many people out there that are in situations that probably just don't know what to do and what is going on, you know, with their mental health, like really ill, like, kind of thing. So please share this video, and don't forget to reach out for that help if you are really struggling as well. So I'm going to end the video there, and don't forget to give us a like, and see you in the next video.